as we were saying, we about to tackle this motherboard. You feel me? We're gonna attach that CPU. This is the brain. The brain controls the body. I said that before. The brain controls the body. This is the memory. You feel me? We're gonna put that. We gonna. You feel me? We gonna merge up.
Unbox that, baby. Mamacita. Ooh. Shit, that's a brick, baby. Ooh. That's even some premium packaging, baby. Loving the presentation. That's what the YouTubers say, right?
I think so. They love the presentation. You see that? That shit nice. Don't slay me, y'all. I don't got no gloves. My hands is soft, though. That is soft, though. That is shit.
Don't cut yourself. What the fuck? That's a high school textbook.
This gonna fit?
You think that's gonna fit? Y'all think this gonna fit? It's gonna fit, right, guys?
Got to.
Chat.
What y'all think?
Chat, that's gonna fit, right? That's the same. That's the size of the fucking case.
I need a 3 second. I need a 3 second video of that.